Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. So, I plan to talk in English today because if I talk in English, then my communication will be good. So, my day start at 5:10 actually. I do my all morning chores like going to washroom and all. Then make coffee and take my water bottle and sit. So I plan to start my study from Quant today. Number system. Before I also solve some question on number system. I watch Chinmay sir's videos. He has two videos on this topic. But today I thought to start it again from quicker math. And there are so many rules in quicker math. Like around or about 51 rules are there, so it's not easy to remember all those rules and practice, but I try to do some questions from here, and I started from rule 1, and today I go to up to 10 rules. After that I'm editing, so editing this video. Why I'm putting my effort and create such videos. The only reason is to keep motivating myself and also you. I don't know how these videos motivates you and all, but I think I love this type of videos on YouTube, like housewife teaching videos, housewife morning routine videos, housewife early morning reading or study videos. I love all those videos and I like to watch them, and this gives me motivations and this encourages me to work hard. So my routine is kind of so simple. I started my day like around 5 or 5:30. So today I started it from 5:30 a.m. as I saw from the beginning of the clip. And after that I just love my coffee. I make that, and I made coffee and sit here. So as I plan to talk in English today, the only reason to go increase my communications, because I knew that my English pronunciation is very bad, and I am working on that, because in future it is very necessary. If I also good at it, when I am a teacher, I am going to be preparing for that to become a teacher. Then I will teach my students English in Odia medium. They will also can talk in very good English and fluent English. So that's what my motive is. And to be frank, there are so many rules, so I got confused here. But I just decided to solve questions only, and when I didn't solve any question, I will ask in a group in Telegram. There are so many people in there, and maybe someone will solve my questions. And if I don't understand the solutions, then I will ask them again to make me clear my doubts. So here I am. After so many days, I was struggling to wake up, and I slept at 12 or 1. Yesterday I slept at 1 p.m. Sorry, 1 a.m. And I thought I can't wake up today, but I watched a video yesterday, like how a woman who got a job in BPSC after 17 years of marriage. So that's video, just got me goosebumps, and I thought if she can, then why not me? She also has 3 children, and she said in her interview that she hardly slept at night. She sleep around 3 hours. Even in those 3 hours, she she wake up like in every half an hour, and she used to say that my aim is BPSC. So I keep saying like, no, I can't sleep, I have to study for BPSC, like that. So I thought I also chant high school teacher, high school teacher, high school teacher, and I will also get it. Not like that. Like if I chant, I will get no. She works so hard. Like no sleeping, all times she utilized. Like whenever she cooking, she also put phones in on the videos, watch YouTube videos, current affairs, GKGS. At that time she utilizes every single minute. That's why she got it. And it's not like in 1 year 2 year, it took her 5 years to get her dream job. So and my job is like I started only in it's kind of 3 months now. So I know it's not easy, but it's not hard. It's kind of like that. I'm saying such complicated sentence. Why? No, it's not complicated. It's as simple as like that. Like if I work hard, then it will be not hard for me to get this job. If I can't work hard, then this is so hard for me to get this job. So right now I'm watching videos from YouTube to understand all these concepts. I got stuck in one question, so I just took my phone. That's my bad habit. I have to stop, you know, watching my phones. If I open my phone, I just watch others videos, like if any bloggers or any new updates and all that. So I have to stop that. I tried my best to talk in English, and it's kind of slow, but it will encourage me to try again and to keep talking like it. I know I did some mistakes in my pronunciation, in my grammar, but it's okay. I will just correct it. If I practice it. So I know it's a Odia channel, but it's not for every day. I try this for today to have some changes in my blogging, and it's kind of boring, so I just want to just change my way of talking or something like that, so that it attracts you, as there are so not many members in my channel. So I want, how many members? Only 22 members. So I want them to watch at least my video, so that it gives me motivation. And if you like my channel, my content, then just please do subscribe my channel, also like it, and keep watching. Thank you. Also look at here, I said from starting of my video that there are 51 rules in this topic, like number system. So here it is. So thank you, thanks for watching, bye bye.